Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lindsay. So today I'm gonna be trying out the Revlon one step hair dryer for the first time. I've been seeing them everywhere. So this is a box it came in. Yes, I know I opened it before the video, but I was too excited, so nobody come for me. And I got the pink one. Of course, it comes in two colors, pink and black. So opening the box, we're gonna start out by, well, the dryer. So it looks like a huge, can't bother with a bag of card, you know. All right, a huge like paddle brush, and it comes with like these little pink balls on the ends, and then the base right there is what you're gonna use to control the settings. All right, so I'm starting out with freshly washed moisturized hair, and I like to keep my hair braided or twisted up before I go in with blow dry, and kind of like a pre-stretch to the stretch for the ultimate stretch. And I like to blow dry my hair to stretch it for my protective styles. You guys know this already, it's no big secret if you've been watching me for a while. Like, you do you, I do me. So I'm gonna start out with the back section of my hair, just detangling with my wide tooth comb, going in with this Cantu heat protectant. Now, but I come for me because this Cantu is what I had, and this heat protectant isn't bad. So the blow dryer comes with heat settings right there at the base. That's how you adjust it. It's 2 heat settings and a cold shot. So I think I'm gonna start out with the cooler setting just because I'm enough and I want to see what each setting is like. Now, I know some people, when they blow dry their hair, they like to do the tension method. I've done that before, and that method is good as well, but I was in a rush and I really wanted to see what this blow dryer was about, so I just started using it like I would my regular paddle brush, because I do have a brush that looks like this. By the way, this blow dryer is pretty huge, I must say. It have some body, yada yada. All right. Corny much. All right, so I adjusted the settings, and I know I went from cooler to warm, so that's how my hair is looking with just a few passes. So not too bad. I got some pretty decent stretch. Alright, so I went in and I finished off the rest of my head, and I kept it on the warmer heat kind of setting. So that's how the back of my head is looking. Not bad so far. So I'm gonna go in and finish off the front section of my hair. Obviously, I detangled my each section first, and I start blow drying the ends, and I work my way up to the roots, and just until I get the stretch that I'm looking for. So most times when I'm blow drying my hair for a protective style, like, I'm not looking for like bone straight stretch, because I'm not doing like a silk press or anything like that. I just want it stretched enough where, like, if I'm doing braids or something, my hair won't frizz quickly under the braids. But I kind of really wanted to see what this blow dryer was about. So if you see me going through it like multiple times, I wanted to like really see what the hype was with this blow dryer. And I must say, like, you know, I think it was doing a pretty good job so far. So I'm just gonna go off and finish the rest of my head. Alright guys, so I'm finally done, and I must say I really do like this blow dryer. I believe I got better stretch and I finished quicker than I would with my regular blow dryer. My hair lasted pretty long in a protective style without frizzing, so that's a plus. And this blow dryer is pretty affordable. It's only like $39.99, $40. So that's not bad, because you know how blow dryers, if you want a really good stretch, they can get really expensive. So let me know if you've tried this before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. You don't know, so we're going to family over here. And follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. All right, connect with me, follow me. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a protective style I did after. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.